Nestled in the serene, peaceful and sought-after dress circle of Currumbin Waters, this stunning waterfront acreage has so much on offer. Approximately 55 metres of water frontage and covering 7,082 square metres of low-maintenance land. Character is the word when you're first greeted by this Cape Cod Hamptons-inspired 4-bedroom home. Offering modern kitchen with Corien stone benches and stainless steel appliances including a dishwasher and gas cooktop. A large insulated outdoor pavilion with an all-weather outdoor kitchen, including Caesar stone benches and marine-grade cabinetry. Tropical saltwater pool, huge multi-purpose shed with its one independent driveway. A council-approved self-contained granny flat that's perfect to renovate. A rare find and value for money. Contact Roger Haddad for more information or an inspection.